Well, I'm Mike Esquivel, the chair of the Logistics and Supply Chain Management program at Tarrant County College, Northwest Campus. One of the first things people ask me is, what is logistics? What is supply chain? And I use Lego as an example. Everyone loves Lego toys. So Lego is a company that's in Denmark, and they produce the product Lego toys in Europe, Mexico, and one facility in China. So it's an international company. So the supply chain starts with the procurement of materials to make the toy, the molding, the equipment, the production process, as well as distribution of the finished product. The packaging is involved at that facility as well, then the means of shipping it to customers eventually, people at the home that buy the toys. So people may not know this, but right off of Mark IV Parkway in 820 is a 1 million square foot warehouse, and that's where all North American Lego toys are for distribution. So if you have a Lego at home, most likely, almost definitely, it came from that warehouse. So supply chain is involved in that production process as well as the distribution of those toys. So for example, in Mexico, from the Mexico facilities, they would arrive to the United States on truck or rail. If it's rail, it comes up to our BNSF yard here in Fort Worth, North Fort Worth, and then eventually to the warehouse. If it's a truck, it comes directly to the warehouse. If it's produced in Asia, it would come on a container ship to a port, the West Coast port most likely, and then onto the rail, onto a truck, to the warehouse, and then from there, an order's shipped to the home. So that is supply chain. Here at Tarrant County College, we have Associate of Applied Science degree with 2 certificates of completion in warehouse management and transportation management. So we're located at Alliance Airport, at our Center of Excellence for Aviation, Transportation, and Logistics. So supply chain is one of those career fields that it's not just about warehousing and trucking. There's a lot of other activities that you learn as a student in our program. So there's 20 required courses, and the certificates both are combined, 8 courses, and they are stacked into that degree. So you take those 2 certificates, then you only have to take 12 other courses and you earn that degree. So it's designed to be completed in 2 years. Our instruction is a combination of classroom and also hands-on. So students learn in our building here at Alliance, and then we come down into our logistics lab, which I'll walk around and show you real quick. This is where you have our hands-on component. So for example, in warehouse management class, students learn how to take product and put it into inventory, count the inventory, fulfill orders. So we set it up as like an e-commerce facility, like you see at Amazon, but it's certainly a very small scale. So all these bins are full of different types of product. The students would put them in a correct location, verify the quantities that are stored. For example, these kits that represent a product, they work in our computer systems, warehouse management system, to track that inventory and to fulfill orders. We have an area here where the students practice packing the product in different boxes and then palletizing the product, much as a warehouse would do. So this is an example of what students will experience in the hands-on component of it. Again, supply chain it's more than just warehousing or transportation. There's a lot of other activities involved, including information technology. So again, we work in software applications for transportation planning, warehouse management, and the growth areas in automation, robots, automated guided vehicles, and eventually in the future, drones. So there's a lot of opportunity for people that like to work with software. There is a sales component, keeping clients like Yeti coolers satisfied in handling of their product, selling their product, distributing their product. There's individuals that work in analytics, working with data. And I mentioned the automation is going to be the biggest growth field. So we have companies like DHL Supply Chain, Amazon, and UPS that are helping us with this program here for our students. So students coming out of our program can start a career with the associate's degree and earn between the mid-40s and high 40s in a starting position. And it's a very lucrative career. The average salary for someone in supply chain is just over $100,000. So again, it's a variety of different skill sets, but eventually move up into different management roles. Many companies like UPS like to promote from within. So you start on the ground floor and you move on up. There's opportunities such as Amazon to work at different facilities or for sorting facility. We have Amazon Air up here as well. There's DHL Supply Chain, as I mentioned. That's an international company. So if you want to work overseas or internationally in different jobs, there's a lot of opportunity. For an individual that likes to work with others, likes to be out, like at an Amazon warehouse, there's 1,000 employees. You're supervising, working with these employees in different teams. There's roles that you can work as an individual. If you work better by yourself and working individually, maybe from the home, you can still manage inventory, fulfill orders, plan transportation, work in different software applications as an individual contributor. There's a lot of different opportunities. Students that complete a program, over 90% go on to complete their 4-year degree. So there's certainly a progression to complete your education that way and also advance in your career in different areas. So I hope you choose Tarrant County College, and I'll see you in class.